3, 2, 1, go.
Well, qualification match 4 here at Riverboat Rumble. Teams moving completely pre-programmed during the first 15 seconds, the autonomous period. Team 3201 quickly delivering notes into the top part of their speaker. The autonomous period is the only time teams get points for movement alone, crossing the taped line of their team's color. As we enter the teleoperated period, human players pick up the controllers that their team held over this past season. They'll have the remainder 2 minutes and 15 seconds to change the course of the game. Score is currently 31-21 in favor of the Red Alliance. Team 7183, that's Engineers up tomorrow in the center of the field. They're a community-based team from LaGrange, Kentucky, hoping to cause as much as bumper action as possible, trying to prevent their teammates from scoring additional points for their opponent's alliance. 94-91, that's last year's rookie team out of Sellersburg, Indiana, Crypto Creek. They're hoping to deliver a note now into the amp. That's that shorter scoring zone on the audience side of the field. Each note scored there is worth 1 point for the entirety of the match. The other place you can score is in the speaker. That's the high scoring goal. It's 2 points unless it's amplified. So teams can amplify during this year's game by storing up 2 notes in the amp and then pressing down on the button by their human player. Neither team electing to do that so far, focusing just on that higher goal. Team 325 shuttling those notes to their teammates, shooting it up and over across the field, trying to minimize the cycle time between picking up a note and delivering it. Robots can only hold on to 1 note at a time, so they have to be careful about where those land on their teammates. Score is currently 42-32, only 10 points difference with under a minute remaining in the match. Plenty of points available during the end game and as teams continue to score. Team at 99-98, that's our bonus team for 3201. They split into male and female teams for this event, trying out new components with their demo robot. They're able to maintain a slight advantage throughout the match. As we enter the end game period, human players will start to toss those taped rings. They're attempting to land on those microphones, those metal posts above the stage. We'll also start to see teams climb, just like 325 and 3201 are demonstrating. They have to be elevated off the ground for 5 seconds after the match for that to count. We'll see how many stay up there as we wrap up qualification match 4 here at Riverboat Rumble. 67 beating out Blinds is 45. Plenty of points difference in the speaker. That's what really got it for the Red Alliance. They'll take 2 points for winning it, an additional 1 for Melody. That's scoring enough of those notes to breach that ranking point bonus.